Good afternoon. This is Martha with Martha's Creative Life, where we get to be creative together. Welcome back to the channel. I have lots of good news to share with you. Two things today. I have a special trip that I want to share with you, and that's what's going to be later in the video. And then the rest is going to be what I'm going to talk about first, actually. Today I hit 100 subscribers. I cannot believe it. Thank you so much for everyone who has come along on this journey with me. Thank you very much to the guy who sews, Sean. He really helped me out with a premiere this morning. I had so much fun with him. We had filmed it a couple of weeks ago, and then we got to have it live today and then have some comments and discussions with our quilty friends here on YouTube. So if you are a part of this journey with me, welcome. And I appreciate you so very much. I look forward to communicating with you in comments, and I really just enjoy it very, very, very much. I love my YouTube channel. It's so much fun. So with that, that was a special monumental event today, getting to 100. So just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. The next part of this video, I am actually going to take you on a journey over to Ozark, Alabama. My hubby and I went yesterday. It was the Claybank Festival Jamboree festival that they had downtown. I'm not quite sure how many years they've done this, but the Front Porch Quilt Shop that's located in Ozark, Alabama, also had a quilt show going on at the Holman House. So the video is actually going to be us touring through the house, which was built in 1912. So this year it's actually, gosh, 110 years old. Can you believe it? It was absolutely a beautiful home. It's being restored, so they're taking donations. I'll actually give you more information down in the description of the video to let you know a little bit more about it. But it was a really neat house. And so they got to the Front Porch Quilt Shop. Melanie, who's the owner, she got to hang a lot of the quilts inside there, so they were kept safe. There was even a quilt from 1972, which was hand stitched. This grandmother made it for her granddaughter when she graduated high school back in 1972, and it looks so beautiful. And it was actually made from a lot of the clothes that she would wear as she, was growing up. So I thought that was really neat. It was just a beautiful quilt to see the differences between today's quilting and yesterday's quilting. So just want to tell you that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm trying something new out today. This introductory part of the video, I'm doing it outside. Thought that would be something different, but I also moved my mic a little bit further down so that maybe the sound will be a little bit better and it won't be so close up to my voice, and will actually be a little bit better. So thank you for coming along on this journey with me. If you would like to share, subscribe, and like my video, I really would appreciate it, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Here we go. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for coming along with me on my little journey that we took yesterday over to the Quilt Show. I'm wearing my pink right now, so please make sure that you note that October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Please make sure you go get your test, ladies and gents. It can happen to both, so I'm sure everyone has been affected by breast cancer in some form, so please make sure that you go get checked. All right, until next time, take care. Bye.